Arian, your lines, ha?
Memorize ko na, Nix.
Okay. Start na tayo.
Wait, aren't you going to ask me if I'm ready?
No, I know you're ready. Okay, call it Stacy. 5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Oh, andito ka na pala, Crisostomo mo.
Maaari na ba tayo lumisan dito, Maria Clara?
Kung yan ang nais mo.
Cut! Sorry, Arian, pero your acting, it's too much.
Sorry talaga, Nix, pero I think I really need some coaching.
Di mo naman kailangan magpa-coach, Arian. Nikki Grace, I think you just have to show her how it's done. Ikaw na lang ulit mag-Maria Clara.
No, Miel. Baka kasi she'll just make gaya my acting. So, she's right. She just needs some coaching. Arian, I'll just schedule a one-on-one consultation,
Okay lang sa'yo, Nix?
Of course.
Sandali, di ba dapat kasali ako dyan? Kasi marami kaming scenes na magkasama kami.
No need na. She'll just relate to you.
What? I need...
No. Okay, let's start na. Scene 17 naman, Noche Buena. I-prepare niya yung table. Kailangan natin yung props, yung mga kainan and all. Kailangan ko dito si Basilio, Sisa, and Elias. Okay? Ano pa? Sige, continue na lang yan. Kailangan ko lang na magsiset up nito.
Sige.